Do you know why exactly we need energy storage system today? What benefits can energy storage equipment bring us? Here are 3 reasons you must know.
Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Xu. Welcome to Dyness Energy Talkshow. Nice to see you again. The procurement of energy storage system not only solves a key challenge for businesses, but also has far-reaching implications for the energy sector. So, why do we need energy storage system? There are 3 important reasons. Firstly, solve the pain point. Energy storage system actually solves the pain point of the enterprise. This is to say, specifically, the application of this system improves the efficiency of grid operation and provides reliable support for the integration of new energy sources. Secondly, realize peak value arbitrage. Energy storage system can also fill peaks and valleys to achieve peak value price difference arbitrage. For some industrial and commercial customers, they can move the electricity at night to use during the day and use it during off-peak hours. While saving this problem, the enterprise can save energy and reduce the costs. Thirdly, sufficient power reserve. For some businesses, they need to have sufficient backup power in case of emergencies, especially in the months when electricity consumption increases sharply. Large-scale power cuts will begin. Now, our energy storage system can also be used as backup power for some major equipment when power cuts occur. Together with Dyness, discover your nature.